We're starting a new chapter now where we're going to explore the AutoCAD interface a little bit further. And when I say explore the AutoCAD interface, we're not going to be doing any drafting here. These are tools that are going to help you work with AutoCAD and your drawings rather than create geometry or create objects in your drawings. We've got a new drawing for you. It's called ground floor plan underscore rev3.dwg, and you'll recognize it from previous videos in previous chapters. Now, like I said, we're not going to do much drafting, but these are tools that will actually allow you to navigate your drawing a bit quicker and a bit easier. So let's take a look at how these tools work. We're going to be taking a look at the File tabs in AutoCAD first. So in this particular video, we're going to see how those File tabs work in your AutoCAD drawings. Now, there are lots of different tabs available. Now, you've obviously got your ribbon tabs up here at the top of the screen, for example. Now, I'm not talking about those kind of tabs. If you look just below the ribbon there, you can see your drawing tab there. Can you see it says ground floor plan Rev 3? Now you will notice there's a little asterisk next to the file name in the tab. That is letting you know that the drawing has been changed in some way and needs to be saved. So if I now go up to the save icon on the quick access toolbar and click on save, you'll see that that little asterisk disappears. So whenever you see that little asterisk, it means you've made a change. So if I zoomed in, notice the asterisk appears on the File tab. If I double click on the wheel there to zoom extents, save the drawing again, you'll see that asterisk disappears. Now there is some other really cool functionality on that File tab. Now I'm going to hover over the File tab, just my apologies for the long file names. But if I hover there, can you see there's the model, there's the ISO A1 landscape layout tab, and the layout 2 tab. Can you see them highlight at the bottom of the screen as I move along? There's model, ISO A1 landscape, and layout 2. You've also got the ability there to plot and also to publish your tabs as well. It's a very cool feature, but if you click on each of these, it takes you into each of those spaces. So if I hover over the File tab again, go to layout 2, opens up layout 2. Hover again, go to model, and back in the model space in the model tab again. It's a very useful way of navigating around your drawing and in and out of the different spaces within your drawing as well. Now, in later versions of AutoCAD, you've also got these little tabs up here. Now, if I click here, you'll notice I can also go to the Start tab or any current drawings I've got open, hover there, recognize that, there's the model, and obviously the ISO A1, the layout, and so on. So I can go back there. If I click on it again, though, I can also create a new drawing. I can open a new drawing from a template, open an existing drawing, save all the drawings I've got open, and close all the drawings I've got open, which is incredibly useful if you've got more than one drawing open in an AutoCAD session. So there's a lot of tools in there that are incredibly helpful. Now, if I come down to the bottom sort of corner, bottom left corner, again, we've got the model, the ISO A1 landscape, and the layout 2. I can click on those quite happily. Back to the model tab there. But I've got another little set of tabs here as well. If I click here, you'll notice I can create a new layout from a template. I can open up the page setup manager. I can select all my layouts, like so. There's only 2, but see they're highlighted now. And that means now that I can now publish those selected layouts if I want to, doing a batch plot in AutoCAD. I can also dock this above the status bar. So if I click there, can you see I've got the tabs now, they're above the status bar, which allows me to extend more functionality onto the status bar if I want to, and also have more layout tabs going along over the status bar. So if I click there and put that in line with the status bar again, it drops back down again. They're just little sort of navigational tools that allow me to work with my interface in AutoCAD. And again, I can click there. Notice I can go into each of the tabs if I want to, like that, and back to model again. So there's all these ways and means of navigating around all the spaces and the areas that you need to work in your AutoCAD drawings. And in later versions of AutoCAD, and this particular version of AutoCAD, AutoCAD 2026, you can see that those new tabs are really useful for navigating around as well.